A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for flower. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for light. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for squirrel. R for rose. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for ball. W for watch. X for electricity. Y for yacht. zebra. இந்த கார்டை வச்சு நீங்களும் ஏபிசிடி போடுங்க. சப்ஸ்கிரைப். Thank you. Bye.